Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayle and I'm really excited that you're here and I hope you stick around. Today's video is a quick clean with me, so just tidying up the kitchen, and I'm also cooking in this video, which I rarely do on my channel, but I'm really excited to show you one of our favorite meals. It's really easy to make and can be done within like 30 minutes or so. It's delicious and we eat it probably way too much. But also today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which we love them, and you guys know I've been working with them for years and I will continue to support them forever. So I will talk about the jewelry that I got later on in this video. And by the way, I'm going to start uploading twice a week, and you guys can hold me accountable if I skip or don't get 2 videos up a week. You are more than welcome to yell at me over on Instagram. I'm giving you full permission to DM me and be like, hey, get it together. So thank you guys so much for your support all these years, and I hope you continue to enjoy my videos, and I cannot wait. Our favorite seasons are coming up, Halloween and Christmas and all the fall decor. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I want to go shopping, but I've been putting it off because I just know I'm going to go crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows.
Alright, before we get too far into today's video, I want to talk about Ana Luisa. They didn't ask me to say this, but I want to point it out because it's amazing. Back in 2020, they became carbon neutral, so every piece of your collection is carbon invisible. In 2021, they became a certified climate neutral company, and they've helped restore 2.5 million gallons of water since January of 2021 by supporting certified water restoration projects. That's awesome. Okay guys, so I just got some new jewelry in and I really wanted to show you, do an unboxing because I love watching unboxings, but I also wanted to show you how well they package everything, and these are reusable, so you can take these like on vacation if you go somewhere, separate your necklaces, your earrings, your bracelets, and these are very satisfying to close, by the way. Just hear the click. Yep. That's amazing. So anyway, I wanted to show you what's inside these, but I also wanted to point out the packaging because they are 100% recycled paper boxes. It has their Instagram handle there, so follow them on Instagram. And then on here it says they're carbon neutral, which I already knew, and I've told you guys before, it's an amazing company. Please, please, please support them because they're really doing good here. I've had the first bracelet for over 2 years now. I wear it to the gym, I wear it in the shower, I sleep in it, which all the things that you're probably not supposed to do. Alright, so the first little package is, oh my goodness, I can't wait to show you guys this one. Sorry, my camera is having difficulty focusing, but this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Look how sparkly it is in the light. But I love this one and I can't wait to wear it with the necklace that I ordered as well, which will be in this box. So hopefully it's this one. Oh, I think it is. Oh my gosh, yes. I love this type of chain. So let's go ahead and open it. Come and say hi. Come here. Okay. I cannot wait to wear this. This is so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? I want to wear it right now. You'll be seeing me wear this probably in 80% of my videos. So the quality of the chain and how heavy this is. I'm telling you guys, order this necklace. This is what she's deciding to crunch on right now. So we're just going to put this down here. Okay, so the next one is, I can't remember. Oh, wait, yes, I do. This is so cute. I know I'm going to say that about everything because I think everything's cute. But, you guys, look at this. After my camera focuses. Look how cute this is. I can't wait to wear this. I think it's so adorable. I love the, oh, she just attacked. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and put it on because look. I love stacking bracelets. I think it's really cute. But, I mean, are you kidding me? Dixie, I'm so sorry, guys. But if you get this bracelet, please let me know because then we'll be twins. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dixie, do you like this necklace? Dixie. Ma'am. Hello. Do you like this necklace? She says yes. I will leave everything down below in my description box at the very top. There's going to be a link and you can go ahead and click on that. Thank you again, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video.
I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
Okay, so PJ's home now and I need to hurry up and make this meal because I know he's starving. I'm also hungry. It's a little after 4 now, but I'm gonna get all the ingredients out for the meal and get the chicken in the sink and everything starting to thaw, and I'll show you what we're gonna use. And I'm also gonna show you the new rice cooker that we got from Amazon. I believe it was like 40 bucks. It's like an 8-cup rice cooker. It's so cute and tiny. I can just like hold it like this, and I love it. We had another one from Target, and that was like either the second or third one that we got of the same one because I loved it, but it breaks every single time.
can't believe it's already over.
For the Instant Pot, I do 1 cup of chicken broth. I do a packet of Italian dressing seasoning, I think that's what it is. 1 stick of butter, which I do melt in the microwave before I put it in. I do 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and then 3 chicken breasts. After it's cooked, you're going to use 1 block of cream cheese too, and then mix it all together. For the rice cooker, I do 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of chicken broth. And for this rice cooker, all I do is click the white rice, and then I guess it just cooks it how it's supposed to. But it works every time perfectly.
Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love?
So now that's cooking. The rice I think takes like 20 minutes, and then that will be a total of 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go pick up our family dog, I guess our family dog, Bella, and she's gonna stay here for the weekend because they're going, I think, to Louisiana to the Golden Nugget for their anniversary. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Bella, and Dixie's really excited. She loves Bella, but I'm gonna put the trash can back. I love these pink trash bags. Ready? Come, you want a treat? Come. 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 Sit. Treat. Thank you. Down. Oh, you stretching? Can you lay down? Good girl. Here you go. Here's your treat. Now, do you want to go get Bella? Let's go. Do you want to go get her? You want to go get Bella? You love Bella? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go get Bella. Let's go. Let's go bye-bye. We got to go get her. Are you ready? Okay, so the food's done. I just got back. Usually you only wait 10 minutes and then make sure that the pressure is all the way out, but I was talking to my mom, so I was running a little bit late. The rice is done. Beautiful. And this, I want to make sure there's nothing. Boom.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink.
I just made this because it's always a mess, so I will be so excited if this works. This looks ridiculous, so. Oh my gosh, is it gonna work?
Love you, wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?
Let's check. Oh my gosh, it's working. You're kidding. Okay. Let's make sure it's, this is the real test. We need to make sure it's all blended.
Party in the backyard. dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
So it doesn't look the best, but it tastes so good.
Will fade if you're ready for